In order to be able to use the Testo cloud, you first need to register at www.museum.severus.net. After clicking on the Register button, a template opens in which the following fields have to be filled in: country, language, email, password, repeat password. Then accept the terms and conditions and click on the Register button. To finish this action, you just have to click on the link Confirm My Account in the email which is sent to the address you provide. You are automatically redirected to the Testo Cloud registration template. After entering your email address and the password once more, the registration is finished.